Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Erik, and here with the investment channel. Guys, I know, that's my fault. I haven't uploaded for what? Only a day, though, but I kind of miss it. Yo, mortgage is booming, okay? So I've been so busy, but I am trying to find time to actually start uploading consistently, hopefully every day. That's probably why I dropped 4 videos, which one of them, Nokia, had almost 14,000 views, which is insane. But also, one thing that I accomplished, I guess, within the first week of being monetized, I made my first $200 on YouTube, which means that I am giving away 10% of it by the end of February. So as of right now, this is what you guys got. 20 bucks. All right, so if you haven't already, go ahead and please subscribe, and please make sure that you are active, and then you're being positive and actually contributing to the community. But besides that, you already know why I'm here today. Foresight, of course. Okay, I saw the news as soon as it came out. I just wish I could record it earlier, but unfortunately, I gotta work. But it's fine. I'm not complaining. But two great news, which you guys probably already know, but you're still probably gonna watch this video, which is cool. The first one is iNet signed an amazing deal. Okay, why? Why is it amazing? Because guys, this is basically the route to start generating revenue. Okay, I know it's iNet, which is a subsidiary of Foresight, but still it's gonna be able to bring us some revenue as we go, and make that part of the business, which is part of the Foresight business, more valuable. So that's good for us. I'm thinking a couple $1 billion just for eyesight, to be honest. But people are sleeping. They're just sleeping on Foresight. Just let them start generate revenue. I'm predicting 10 to 14 months. That's when we're gonna start seeing some good revenue numbers, either from iNet or even from like Foresight with the quad side sales. But let's go jump right into the news, and then I'm going to break you the other news, which you also probably already know, but let's go into this one first. Okay, alrighty. So Foresight, iNet partners with Wonder Mobility to commercialize iNet solution and mobility tech applications. Alrighty, so I have the free thing right here, the highlighter. So yeah, there's a certain amount of words and lines that I can highlight. So it is what it is, guys. So basically today they announced that us, Foresight, an innovator in automotive vision systems, announced today that its wholly owned subsidiary iNet Mobile has signed an agreement with the Wonder Car Mobility Solutions, a German-based software, vehicles and service provider that enables companies and cities worldwide to launch and scale new mobility services. Money. All right, that's money, guys. So we already see, we're just in Japan, okay? And also I want to read something that everything that happened, okay, I get like the deal, everything is cool, but they said a couple of words, and those couple of words, that's actually what like that was the highlight of everything. And I want to show you in a second. We're going step by step. Okay, think about it. We're still not a $600 million company, okay, market cap wise, and the way everything is going, the way everything is growing, and how like this technology will be needed in the future, I cannot tell you enough. Y'all could have diamond hands with AMC, GameStop, and all that stuff, do you, okay? I respect y'all. But me, my diamond's hand, bro, you already know it's with Foresight. And there's no reason, and, I have like, 20 plus videos on Foresight? It's crazy. And I'm going to be keeping this company until 2025. That's when I want to keep it until, unless it freaking jumps some crazy astronomical price, and I'm talking about 3 digits for me to think about even selling it like completely. Okay, I may start taking out profits once we hit, I don't know, 35 to 40. But I don't plan on selling out this position until everything goes through, and that's gonna take some time, but it's gonna happen. Um, but I'm gonna link down the article right here so you can read it. Okay, so I just highlighted this few of the things like cutting edge AI technology and advanced analytics. Um, AI. Look, think about it. V2X. That's into 5G. As 5G grows, V2X will grow. AI. We all know that's basically the future. We're looking into Foresight, autonomous driving. Like, come on. I know it's not revenue generating revenue right now, but people are really sleeping on this company, and I can't wait until I and everybody who really believes in this company proves everybody wrong. People that's selling right now, go ahead. You're gonna catch up. Actually, you're not even gonna catch up. You got it. You got to go to freaking Elon Musk and ask him for a ride, cause we're gonna be not even past the moon, Pluto way. You already know. So let's see. So this is what I was telling you guys. The most important thing that I read in the entire article, in my opinion, okay, is that INI is now targeting European market following a successful expansion of activities in Japan. So they pretty much just confirmed that the pilots went pretty well. Okay. And for everybody that was questioning, oh, what if the pilot doesn't go? No, there you go. Here's your answer. Okay. Um, pretty much it. I'm not gonna really look into anything else here, so because this video is gonna be mad long. The second news, which is this one right here, Foresight Autonomous Holdings receives a buy from this capital group. Okay, ages, whatever you want to call it. And so the analyst Romel, whatever again, I don't know how to pronounce his name, maintain a buy rating on Foresight Autonomous Holdings today and set a price target of $13. $13, guys. So I feel like he's the same. They're the same company who had Foresight at $2.50 just like 3 months ago. And now that they have a price target at $13. Man, $13 is too low. I mean, in a couple of weeks, I'm hoping to see Foresight in the 15s. To be honest, in a couple of weeks. But those are the two biggest news, man. Two biggest news. You know, it's kind of like three, to be honest. It's the partnership, it's the confirmation that the pilots went well, and also it's the price target. And for some reason, we kind of lag. Okay, we kind of lag when news comes. You know, it takes us like a couple of days, a day or a couple of days to actually like start moving. But with everything that's going on in the market right now, a lot of people are as of right now up, unless something turns around with GameStop and stuff and AMC. But a lot of people are actually down in the market right now. So I know for a fact because this company has a lot of traders in it. People took money out and then try to play GameStop, which I mean I don't blame you. Go get your money, man. Go get your money. I'm just here for the long term. You know, I might be playing with Rewalk. Um, I'm still holding Nokia. I have a couple calls. I'm on CCIV. I made a video on that, guys. I had it at $13 or so. I think sold it at $20. And then flip it to if I'm not mistaken, what is it? AMC or Nokia? I don't know. Can't remember. And then made a little bit of money there, and then jumped back into CCIV in the low 20s. Right now I think it's past $30, which is insane. So yeah, I mean, just be careful out there in the market is all over the place right now. It's very volatile. Just make sure that you know what you're doing with your money. Don't be there's a difference between investing for the long term and then just like bag holding. Okay, that's just two different things, man. Just make sure that the money that you put in, okay, that it's gonna keep growing. Is it just look in 2 months? Think about it. If you're not planning on selling or anything like that in 2 months, is that company that you're invested in, the chances is it gonna still going up? Is it still gonna go up? Or not even 2 months? That's too short. I'm saying think about it, a year, at least 12 months, because that's when the tax bracket will change. So with that being said, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Yeah, I'm sorry. I mean, I tried to upload to the, this morning, but just mad work, to be honest. Went to sleep last night at like 2 o'clock in the morning. I was like, I updated my community post. I was like, oh guys, I think I'm gonna be working until midnight. Actually, I worked until 2 o'clock in the morning. Had to wake up mad early, meeting and stuff, but that's pretty much it. Okay, and yeah, if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe, comment, and let me know that you're here. So guys, I know a lot of people now. I kind of know a lot of usernames that are in my channel, because for some reason I got some good memory. So but guys, that's pretty much it. Go ahead and let me know. Like this video, share, subscribe. Oh, I'm at over 3,000, which is insane. Still gonna be giving away that 10% of my entire ad revenue for entire February. Okay, so right now you guys are like 20 bucks, so 10 people, that's what, $2 each. I mean, that's something. Guys, thanks so much. You have a great night. Bye.